Venice is one of the world's most unique cities, built on more than 100 small islands in a shallow lagoon and connected by hundreds of bridges and canals instead of roads. Its origins date back to the 5th century AD, when people fled to the lagoon to escape invasions after the fall of the Western Roman Empire. Over time, these small settlements grew into the powerful Republic of Venice, one of Europe's greatest maritime powers, dominating trade across the Mediterranean for centuries. Today, Venice is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and attracts millions of visitors every year with its remarkable history, architecture, and timeless charm. The heart of Venice is St. Mark's Square, or Piazza San Marco, the city's most famous and impressive public space. Surrounded by some of Venice's most important landmarks, including St. Mark's Basilica, the Doge's Palace, and the Campanile Bell Tower, this square has been the center of Venetian life for centuries. Once described by Napoleon as the drawing room of Europe, Piazza San Marco remains one of the most visited places in Italy. During the day, the square is filled with visitors admiring its architecture, listening to the sound of music from the historic cafes, and watching the constant movement of people and boats nearby. Because of its popularity, waiting times for attractions such as the Doge's Palace, museums, and St. Mark's Basilica can be extremely long, especially during the high season. If you plan to visit the interiors, it is highly recommended to book your tickets online in advance. Venice is a city that is best experienced by simply walking and getting lost in its narrow streets and hidden corners. Even though we visited at the end of July, when the temperatures were high and the streets were full of visitors, we truly enjoyed every moment of exploring this beautiful city. Sometimes the best way to discover a place is to leave the map behind and allow yourself to wander. Every turn can reveal a charming little square, a quiet canal, a historic bridge, or a view of gondolas slowly passing through the water. Venice is not only about famous landmarks, it is about the atmosphere, the sounds, the reflections on the canals, and the feeling that every street has its own story. Getting lost here is not a problem. It is part of the experience. While wandering through the streets of Venice, we unexpectedly discovered a fascinating and unusual exhibition inside an old church. Instead of traditional artworks, the space featured a field of wheat, surveillance cameras mounted on crosses, and several provocative pieces that invited visitors to think and question the world around them. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.